Oh, hi. I didn't expect to see you. Well, since you're here, let me show you this new master bathroom we did. I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, Etc. We started off with this beautiful 66-inch freestanding tub. It's an acrylic tub made by Jacuzzi. And we had to build this extra wall here behind me to fit the valves and the tub filler. So we ended up going with a chrome tub filler and faucet valve. This is a 23.5-inch, roughly 24-inch tall acrylic Jacuzzi tub. Now, Jacuzzi is the name brand, not the style of tub. So a lot of folks think Jacuzzi, they think jetted. But this is a soaker tub, means no jets, but the brand is Jacuzzi. So a little bit confusing, but that brings you up to speed here. Fits in this corner really nicely. Of course, when you're designing any space, you want to make sure you think about the total dimensions of the fixtures you're putting in. The valve for the tub, that's a wall-mounted valve versus like having, I'm sure you've seen in photos, if you've been searching around the internet, you've seen the photos where they have the tub fillers that come out of the ground. Sometimes those are really cool to look at, but they're very expensive too. This is a really nice way to save some money. In this case, we did want to build this wall. Building this wall gives it another design feature. You have porcelain tile that goes on that back wall. That's the same tile that's in the shower. Shower's behind you there. And then the same countertop that's on the countertop ties everything together. And it gives us this really cool space right here for artwork. Also left a little space on the back of the tub here. What's kind of cool about a corner set tub is that you'll have a little space on the back and a couple little spaces on the side that you can do cool things. I know you've seen some of my videos, folks put seats right here. You know, you can put a rack of towels. Same thing here, we got a little tabletop here with a nice plant, some aromatic stuff, and some towels. So this is a really cool like staging area. It's useful and it looks pretty. On this floor now, we want a real nice beachy feel for this remodel. We went with like a pebble floor here, and we cut it in with this wood. So this wood is in the main part of the bathroom, and then just under the tub area, we want it to feel like it's sitting on pebbles. So we did this flat pebble mosaic, and then cut in this wood plank porcelain tile. So this is a commercially rated porcelain tile to look like wood. So we went with this crystal chandelier. This was provided by the homeowner and centered over the tub. It is dimmable, it lights up the space. Is it being dimmed now? There you go, see? Dim, off, look at that. So if you're taking a bath and you want it to be low light, you can do that all the way up to, you want to impress your friends level of light. The top of this little pony wall here and the backsplash are at the same level. We wanted that was really important to us so that with your eye, it looks like it flows all the way through, and that blends right into the backsplash, which is on top of the countertop of the same quartz material. These quartz countertops are from Arizona tile, and then we put a Moen Voss chrome faucet. This is an 8-inch spread. So 8-inch spread is when the fixtures are, you know, far apart versus having them all on one plate. This to me is a little more master bathroomy, if that's a word. You know, the kind that are all on one plate, I feel like is more kind of like a powder room or a guest bathroom. And then we did these really cool custom framed mirrors here with 1-inch beveled glass. And then we have a chrome lighting fixture to match the Moen faucets. The homeowners wanted to keep the existing cabinetry. They have a lot of this oak throughout the house, baseboards, moldings, doors. So they want to kind of keep that theme. So what we did is we designed the whole bathroom so that these cabinets could stay. But the cabinets were, you know, they're 30 years old, so they were in need of some just dressing up. So we sanded them and refinished them. The next step off to these cabinets, I would say, would be to add some handles and knobs. If you're listening, you know who you are, handles and knobs. Then we did 2 square undermount sinks, and then across from the sinks, we have the makeup counter. And this makeup counter has the same quartz countertop that the sink area has. It has the same custom mirror, just a little bit different size. You know, this is meant to have someone sit down and do their makeup, and then has the same vanity light fixture. Just instead of the 3 bulb, it's the 2 bulb. In the shower, we did a 12 by 24 porcelain tile. This is a commercially rated porcelain tile. And we have a stripe, an accent stripe going down. This is the same mosaic that we used underneath the tub. This is the entryway of the shower area. The shower actually curves around in like the letter C, if you looked at it from the top. So the shower wall is actually back behind me here. This type of shower does not require a door. As you can see, there is no door in front of the shower. And actually what we did here is we put some hooks here so you can hang your towel, you can hang your robe. They are called robe hooks after all. We did our standard 4-inch curb, and that gives us room to do our slope for the shower pan. You know, everything has to fall towards the shower drain. So, and in the shower, we have a single valve faucet with a shower head. Now this shower head is a multi-function shower head. And we have a 3-bay shower niche on the back wall. We did 3 niches. As you can see, they're all 15-inch bays. On the bottom shelf, you can see that we have some very tall pump products, and you can see that you can get to your hand in there pretty easily. So, and then we also added the same shelves. As you can see, the dividers on the shelves are the same as the countertop that we used. It's the same quartz slab countertop. And what that does is it gives you an extra inch depth on the shelf. The shower drain is an ebby drain. They come in a bunch of different styles. I just like the circular holes. It does have a little hair catch in there, and it looks really great, simple. Also, we did a footrest in the corner of the shower. And this is about 14 inches off the ground. That's normally the height that you want, is about 14 inches off the finished floor. So take that in consideration when you're planning out your shower, you know, finished floor versus, you know, if you're framing in some kind of footrest, you want to make sure that you frame it in correctly so that you take into account the float for the shower floor, depending on the shower floor system you're using. We added a light in the shower. Actually, we added 2 lights in the shower. 6-inch recessed lighting. Both of these are meant to withstand moisture and water vapor for a shower. And then we put a ceiling mounted exhaust fan right as soon as you walk out of the shower. So any steam that comes up and hits the ceiling will immediately get caught by that fan and sucked right out of the space. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found some great inspiration for your next renovation project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.